What if I told you you can create immersive, standard aligned lessons in minutes instead of hours? That's what I'm going to show you in today's video. Minecraft Education's development team created a tool that will allow you to transform your teaching experiences by seamlessly integrating curriculum with immersive gameplay. And I'm going to show you how to use it. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Bram Bultputte, and we are starting up a new series of videos in which we are going to show you all the new stuff that happens in and around Minecraft Education. Like I said in the intro, Minecraft Education has cooked up a new tool that can save you hours on creating lesson plans. It's an AI-powered lesson crafting tool, and they've called it Lesson Crafter. Yeah, they definitely turned on creative mode for that one. And yeah, let's dive straight in. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is navigate to the Lesson Crafter website. I'll put the link in the description below. Sign in with a faculty account from your school to access Lesson Crafter. So this is a teacher-based account. Once we've logged in, we see the home screen of Lesson Crafter. So this is currently still in preview. Things might look a little bit different for you. There are already a couple of inspiration lessons that they've put on, but today we will make our own lessons. So what do we want to make a lesson about? Let's do one about renewable energy. And let's do that for 14-year-olds. And then we just hit generate.
A few moments later.
All right, and we are faced with 3 different ideas for a lesson plan. So all of these are adjusted to the target age curriculum and will be optimized for that as well. So here we can already see the solar power design, wind turbine construction, and the hydroelectric dam architecture. All 3 really interesting topics inside of renewable energy. So let's maybe for us go towards solar power design. We can click on Craft Detailed Lesson Plan to expand upon this one, and then Minecraft Education Lesson Crafter will basically just expand this lesson plan first with setting out the learning objectives and also lining out any preparation work you may want to do. It then generates a timeline estimation on how long you would spend on this lesson, and then it will also look at the standards that you're addressing with this lesson plan. So with this, it's quite a sizable list, so that is amazing to see. One important note to make here is that Lesson Crafter currently only displays Common Core Standards alignments. More could be coming later. A really cool feature of Lesson Crafter as well is that it also offers differentiated learning, so both for remedial exercises or for advanced students that want to go through this again. So the activity in this lesson plan is taking place in really any type of Minecraft world, and students will design a solar power farm. That's a really interesting exercise. They get to experiment with arrangement along the sun's path. This could be a little bit difficult to realize within Minecraft, but it's still a really important topic to tackle. And then there's also a element that has students use the buck and quill to document their design choices. So we're also bringing in some writing challenges. I think that's really important in our day and age, that students will still write down their motivation as well. In the assessment period, we have a class discussion. Also really important that kids still get to explain their choices to others and are able to demonstrate those. So that's really cool. All right, then we can go back to the previous page and maybe have a look at the hydroelectric dam structure as well. Again, we're looking at a lesson duration of around 50 minutes here with the very similar preparation, and then the delivery is also quite similar again, but we start here with a blank Minecraft world, so I'm assuming this is a survival world, and players will first get to explore a little bit, which they always enjoy a lot, and then they have to pick a suitable location to build their hydroelectric dam. So this is already a decision that players really need to be creative about. They need to look at the geology that comes with hydroelectric dams. That's a really important feature. And then of course they get to design and build their dam. So due to the way that water physics works within Minecraft, building a dam that fills up a reservoir behind it could be a technical challenge, but I'm sure that students will find a way to do this. And then at the end of the challenge, we again have a classroom discussion about the environmental impacts of hydroelectric dams, and really encouraging students to share their record of considerations and potential solutions to those environmental impacts, because they are significant. And again, we have a list of these standards that are addressed, quite a sizable list as well, so that is really great to go through. And as with the previous one, the differentiated learning exercises, these are really great for either students that need a little bit of remedial work, or those who just blast through it all and need some advanced challenges. I hope that you can save a lot of hours crafting new lessons in Minecraft Education. Do you enjoy these new types of videos from Shapescape? Well, let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.